Hi everyone! So, ayun, Carla here. I will going to walk you through on something kasi I received a question just now and I decided to record this for other people then. So, we'll go ahead with the question. So, the question is it possible to add courses or offers inside the membership area that people could buy? So it's locked and people could buy and purchase it. And so I realized I need to record this kasi mas maganda para din maintindihan ng ibang tao, and also ibibigay ko rin naman talaga yung recording to her. So yeah, might as well put it out there na rin for other people. Okay, so we'll go ahead na. So here's my Go High level as you can see in the screen. And how you could do that is you need to go to the membership, right? And go to offers. And as you can see here, I have the free access, the Go High Level Batch 2, and the Batch 1. Right? Now, for example, this one is the free offer ko ng Go High Level Mastery. And I would want to add the Batch 2 and Batch 1 para lang for the sake of the training nitong Loom video. Pero ilalagay ko lang dapat talaga is batch 2. Pero, for example, you or your client have multiple courses that they wanna be added inside the membership area para makita ng mga clients nila, and they can still upsell dun sa current na existing clients nila, right? So, what you need to do is click on the existing offer that you want to add those courses or offers na iba. So, click on edit, and then on the upsell, right? Add your upsell here. Pakita ko pala muna sa inyo how it looks like doon sa product na yan para naman you know how it looks like. Okay, preview. And then I'll go back doon sa offers. And here's what you could see. Let it load. So I'm previewing the admin mode, right? Yan. Now, I want to add this batch 2 and batch 1. So for example, so I'll go ahead with the 3-day access, edit that. And now here I'll click on upsell. And here I will add those two na gusto kong i-add na product or offer. So, yon. Ang gagawin ko is, may dalawa kang options, as you can see. So, one-click upsell is, again, basahin ko muna yung taas para hindi kayo magulan. Upsell gives you the capability to make additional income from your membership courses. So, there's two types. One-click upsell allows you to sell an offer after initial offer or purchase, right? So, this one, ito yung parang they need to pay before they can access it, right? In-app upsells allows you to lock product or offers as a bundle in the My Library page. Okay? Okay. So, I think, kasi ito yung one-click upsell, is hindi siya mapupunta sa library page or sa My Library page. So, ang gagawin ko is itong in-app upsell. Okay, so paliwanag ko muna siguro maigi what's the difference, okay? Yung one-click upsell is when someone buys your offer, ito parang lalabas yung susunod na upsell mo. Dun mismo sa while they're buying. Okay? So, yun, clear na tayo doon. Yung in-app upsell naman is, ito yung tinatanong ni Sai, na pwede ba na maglagay ng offer inside the membership or My Library, tapos nakalock lang siya, tapos they need to pay to access it. So, ito yung in-app upsell. So, ayan yung i-click ko and continue. Now, tatanungin niya anong offer. So, ilalagay ko yung batch 2, 'di ba? Add upsell offer. And pwede ka pang maglagay ng isa pa ha. So, dito makikita mo makakapag-preview ka kung ano itsura nun ng card doon. So, nakalagay dyan, 15,000 enroll, course curriculum. Yan, nakalock siya. I mean, nakalagay lahat ng inclusion, pero nakalock siya. Okay? You have the ability to change yung branding if you'd like. Add a video, add an image, yun. Yung mga design. Okay, course body, yan. Pwede mo ring i-edit and the instructor. Okay? So, hindi na ako pupunta dun sa mga editing details na to kasi it's just like the same with the membership. Ganun lang din yung itsura niya ng pag-edit. So, I will just save this. Okay, pwede pa pala natin i-preview. So, click ko na yung preview. And, yeah, ito yung itsura niya. Okay? Now, isa-save ko na siya. And I will, let me just, lagay ko siyang active. Then, save. Right? And then, babalik na ako doon sa aking list. Now, I wanna add another upsell. Like, yung sabi ko nga, yung batch 1, for example. Right? So, ngayon, makikita nyo na ganyan din, same lang. May nakalagay lang na batch 1. Sorry na agad, pero I just want to for you to see this kind of stuff. So, i-save ko na din. And now, i-click ko yung back. So, ang tanong, saan ba ito makikita, right? Pag ni-refresh ko tong Jumpstart na free ko, di siya makikita rito in the get-go. Wala. By the way, other stuff is like lock in here. Then, bang kailangan niya is punta siya sa courses, right? And then, dun niya makikita yung mga, ayan, nakalagay na ibang course na you need to buy. Okay? Dahil naka-admin mode ako, nakikita ko tong dalawa na mayroon akong access. Pero ganito yung itsura niya pag parang pag naka-upsell siya. So, pagka-kinlik nila yan and they wanna buy it, yun, mag-open up in new tab, tapos makikita yung inclusion and they can enroll na. Okay? Again, hindi siya clickable kasi, bakit? Wala akong Stripe. Wala akong payment option na nakalagay dito right now, but I can add the details. Diba sabi nga nung dun sa sa parang editing mo, you can add the details on how to pay. Okay? So, yeah, that's it. That's how you add an upsell inside the library course ng madali lang. Madali lang naman. Bagong update lang kasi to. Kaya guys, just wanna let you know. So, yeah, thank you, Sai, for asking this and thank you for having the opportunity to help you with this kind of stuff. Salamat sa Diyos po. Bye! Happy weekend!